A driver's car wouldn't start after hitting a deep pothole. Shop quoted $300 for diagnostics. Turned out there was a hidden reset button in the trunk. She pressed it and the engine fired right up. $0 fix. Your car is full of features like this that nobody explains. 15 hidden functions built into your vehicle right now. Most take under 30 seconds, and number one is a free feature most drivers are paying a monthly subscription for. Number 15. Fuel pump inertia switch reset. Car cranks but won't start after a minor collision, deep pothole, or aggressive curb hit? Before calling a tow truck, check the inertia switch. This safety system cuts fuel delivery when it detects an impact to reduce the risk. Common in Ford vehicles and many imports sold in the US. There's a reset button, usually in the trunk behind the trim panel or near the passenger footwell. Press it and try starting again. In many cases, the engine fires right up without any repair needed. This prevents $150 to $300 in diagnostic fees for a problem that isn't mechanical at all. I've heard from drivers who were quoted for full fuel pump replacements when all they needed was to push this button. Learn where yours is before you ever need it. Number 14. Cruise control on downhills. Most drivers only use cruise on flat highways, but that's missing half of what the system can do. Activating cruise before a long descent forces the transmission to downshift automatically using engine braking to maintain your set speed instead of relying on the brakes. You'll notice RPMs climb slightly. That's the transmission doing the work. This reduces brake wear significantly on mountain roads and long grades. Brakes stay cooler, last longer, and you maintain consistent speed without riding the pedal for miles. This feature alone can add thousands of miles to your brake pad lifespan on hilly terrain. Number 13. Sunroof Recalibration. After a battery replacement or voltage drop, your sunroof may stop midway or lose one-touch operation. The control module lost its memory of the limits. Fix. Turn ignition on. Press and hold the close button for about 10 seconds. Even after it fully closes, keep holding. The system performs a relearn cycle that restores automatic operation and anti-pinch protection. Takes 15 seconds total, prevents a $200 dealer visit for a sunroof that just needed recalibration, not replacement. Number 12. Electronic parking brake service mode. If your car has an electronic parking brake, this is critical to know before any brake job. You must activate service mode before replacing rear pads. The system uses electric motors inside the calipers. Forcing the pistons back manually without this step can destroy the actuator, and that repair runs $500 to $1,000 depending on the vehicle. Most models have a specific combination using the brake pedal, parking brake switch, and ignition that retracts the actuators automatically. Check your manual for the exact sequence. This single step prevents one of the most expensive DIY mistakes in modern car maintenance. Most DIY brake guides skip this entirely. But this next one is something you can use every single day, especially in summer. Number 11. Key Fob Window Ventilation. On hot days, your car's interior can exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit in under an hour of direct sunlight. Press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds. On many vehicles, all windows roll down automatically. Some models open the sunroof too. This lets trapped heat escape before you even open the door. Hold the lock button to close everything back up. On some vehicles, this needs to be enabled through infotainment settings. Check yours. This alone makes getting into a hot car a completely different experience. Number 10. Hidden tow hook mounting point. That metal hook near your spare tire isn't decorative. Your bumpers have removable plastic covers hiding reinforced threaded mounting points connected directly to the vehicle's frame. This is where recovery straps and tow hooks should always attach. Towing from suspension components or control arms risks structural damage that can exceed $1,000 to $2,000 to repair. The correct mounting point distributes force exactly where engineers designed it. Find yours now, not when you're stuck on a highway shoulder in the dark. And keep watching. The features coming up next are the ones most drivers use incorrectly every single day. Number 9. Seatbelt height adjustment. The slider on the B-pillar where your seatbelt exists is fully adjustable. Press the button and slide it up or down to match your height. Too high cuts into your neck during a crash, potentially causing injury instead of preventing it. Too low slips off your shoulder and becomes useless. Research shows proper belt positioning reduces serious injury risk by up to 50%. Takes 5 seconds. Most people are never adjusted once in the entire life of the car. Number 8. Rear Defroster Auto Timer. Your rear defroster doesn't stay on indefinitely. Most vehicles run it for 10 to 15 minutes, then shut off automatically to protect the glass heating filaments and prevent electrical overload. If it seems like it stopped working, it probably completed its time cycle. Press again if needed. This automatic shutoff also protects battery health during short trips and frequent stop-and-go driving. Number 7. Tire Pressure Inflation Assistant. On many vehicles, turn the ignition on and start filling your tire. The TPMS monitors pressure in real time. Horn honks when you hit the correct PSI. Overinflate and it warns again with faster honks. This removes the guesswork at the air pump completely. With tires running $120 to $250 each, proper inflation protects your investment and improves the fuel economy from the very next drive. Number 6. Auto Defogging Humidity Sensor. A small sensor near the rear view mirror monitors cabin humidity constantly. When moisture rises, the system activates defogging automatically, often before you even notice the windshield starting to fog. Keep the inside of your windshield clean for best accuracy. If your car doesn't have this technology, running AC with fresh air intake still reduces cabin humidity by up to 30%. Number 5. Driver Fatigue Detection. Your car monitors steering inputs, lane corrections, and acceleration patterns from the moment you start driving. During the first 15 to 20 minutes, it builds a reference profile. When irregular variations appear, like slower reactions or wider lane drifts, a coffee cup icon suggests a break. Some systems use infrared cameras to track eye movement. Studies show this reduces fatigue accidents by up to 40% on long highway trips. Most drivers dismiss the alert when it appears. Don't. The system detected something your conscious mind missed. Number 4. TPMS Manual Reset. After inflation or tire replacement, the pressure warning light often needs a manual reset to recognize new values. There's usually a button below the steering wheel, in the glove box, or in vehicle settings. Takes under 2 minutes. Incorrect pressure increases fuel consumption by up to 3% and cuts tire life by roughly 20%. This is one of the easiest fixes for one of the most annoying dashboard warnings. Number 3. Rain Sensor Sensitivity Adjustment. Automatic wipers use an optical module behind the rearview mirror to detect water on the glass. Most drivers don't realize the sensitivity is adjustable via the wiper stalk or vehicle settings. Lower sensitivity reacts to heavy rain only. Higher catches light mist and drizzle. Tuning this to your local climate eliminates the frustration of wipers activating at exactly the wrong moment, or not activating when they should. Number 2. Automatic Air Recirculation Management. Most drivers leave recirculation locked on permanently, thinking it cools faster. It does initially, but prolonged use increases cabin humidity and fogs windows from the inside. Many modern vehicles automatically blend fresh air with recirculated cabin air to maintain cooling without moisture problems. This also reduces AC compressor workload by up to 8%, directly impacting fuel consumption over time. If your car has this feature, let the system manage recirculation instead of overriding it manually. Number 1. Free remote start in your key fob. Manufacturers charge $15 to $25 a month for remote start through their app. But on many vehicles built from 2018 onward, your key fob has it built in for free. Look for a circular arrow icon or 2x button. Press lock once, then hold the remote start button for a few seconds. On some models, press lock twice first. Engine fires up from hundreds of feet away. No subscription, no app, no monthly fee. Precondition the cabin before getting in. Critical when interiors hit 140 degrees Fahrenheit in summer or cold winter mornings. Automakers bury this free feature because monthly subscriptions generate far more recurring revenue. Check your manual for the exact button sequence on your model and cancel that overpriced plan. 15 features, all built into your car right now. Most take under 30 seconds to learn. Which one did you not know about? Drop it in the comments. The best discoveries always come from owners who actually check their own vehicles. If one of these saved you money or prevented a problem, hit subscribe.